how to download voice clip from Messenger. So if you want to download a voice clip from your Messenger, then first you need to open up your Messenger application. And here you can simply go with a chat where you have the voice clip and from where you would like to download. Once you enter that, now what you need to do is simply press and hold on to that voice message or the voice clip and go with more option. And here you may have a copy option, but if you don't have that, then go with share and you will get copy link option. And you can see that you don't have any option. So if you get a download option, then you'll be able to download your voice message or your voice clip. But if you don't get that option, then it means that on Messenger or on Facebook, we don't have that option yet. So we won't be able to download the voice clip from Messenger. But what you can do is simply go with your screen recording. You can simply screen record the chat with your volume high. And once you've screen recorded the chat, then you will be able to listen to that on your gallery. That's the only way to have the voice clip on your gallery from your Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.